Hey, what's up everyone? So behind me, we have the Vera floor plan by Lennar here in Cadence. Now, if you're looking for a large 2-story home with 5 beds, that includes the primary bedroom downstairs, well, don't go anywhere because we're gonna be touring this house. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on moving, buying, or selling here in Las Vegas, or you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, welcome everyone. So today we are going to be touring Enclave at Preston by Lennar here in Cadence, Henderson. These are the 2 models that we'll be looking at. Now, a few weeks ago, I did cover these communities. That's Terrace at Preston, as well as Crest at Preston. But they have like 4 more Lennar communities out here. So they have homes in different price ranges, suitable for, you know, different types of lifestyles and families. But yeah, if you're unfamiliar with Cadence, Cadence is in Henderson. It's going to be in East Henderson. It's going to be 30 minutes east of Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Now, Cadence is a great master plan community for families. They offer plenty of amenities such as a park, splash pad, playground, barbecue area. The park that's close by has an Olympic-sized swimming pool, so you do have access to that, okay? Regarding this community, Enclave, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 3 different floor plans. They offer the Avery, they offer the Sage, which just has a next-gen suite, as well as the Vera, which is the largest floor plan. But all these homes range from about $529,990 all the way up to $699,990. Now guys, know right when you see the base price, just know that lot premium and upgrades are not included. When it comes to Lennar homes, the out the door price, the total price isn't too far away from the base price because they only upgrade a few things here. They'll normally upgrade the flooring, they could upgrade the cabinets. So for example, it's saying the Sage Next Gen, the base price is $679. They have one that's move-in ready. With the upgrades, it's $721,960, but they've reduced the price to $686, okay? And then with the Vera, they have one that was priced with $745 with upgrades, but now it's out the door. They did a price reduction. It's priced at $703,169, okay? With Lennar homes, the way they work is they're gonna offer like spec homes. Usually they push spec homes, which are like quick move-in homes, which means they pick out all the options, they start production on the home, so that way by the time that you're interested in a Lennar house, they either have one that's already 100% completed, ready to go, or they have one that's coming out, will be ready in about a month or 2. But my advice to you guys is if you're gonna buy a Lennar house and you want the best deal with the best incentives, you're gonna go with a move-in ready home that's 100% completed. I could definitely help you out with that process and get you guys the best rate. So we've got the HOA. The HOA is $103 a month. Again, that's gonna include all the amenities that Lennar, this community, offers. And it includes internet, okay? So that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. All right, guys, welcome to the Vera floor plan. Now, the Vera floor plan is gonna be the largest floor plan here in the Enclave community. This is gonna be 3,475 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. And the base price as of today is $699. Now, just know prices are always subject to change, especially as more, later on in the future, prices will probably increase. But they do have a move-in ready home right now after reductions, including the upgrade. It's priced at about $701, and they have one under construction. I think it's scheduled to be completed in the next few months. That is going to be in the low 700s. I think it's about like 720. But yeah, guys, very excited to show you guys this home. So paver driveways is included, okay? Desert landscaping as well. Now, the cool thing about this house is you're gonna have 2 bedrooms downstairs, and one of them is actually a primary bedroom, okay? So I know there's some buyers out there that are interested in 2-story homes, but the primary bedroom has to be downstairs. Well, if that's the case, this house might be for you. So welcome in. You're gonna get 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor, which is nice. Now, just a quick recap of this floor plan. So as you can see, it's open layout kitchen, dining room, living room. Right in there, that's gonna be your primary bedroom. You'll have stairs that go to the second floor. There's gonna be 3 bedrooms in there. Coat closet, garage, and then we'll start out over here. So this is the first bedroom. Okay, now this is just a guest bedroom here. Looks like with this model house, they made it into an office. So it'd be looks like a great space if you work remote. It's also gonna be front of the house. You're gonna have this nice large window. So there's some good space here. Now remember, if you're curious to know the exact dimensions, like of a room, just reach out to me. I'll figure that out for you and let you know. So it looks like this room is going to have its own 3/4 bath, as well as a walk-in closet, which is really nice. So this would be a great room for guests, or if you if you live with in-laws, cousins, family members, and you want to give them their own space, or a tenant, you're trying to make your monthly payments more affordable, you could rent out this room. See, they have their own, again, full bath and walk-in closet. Now this is going to be the powder room right here. Okay. So got your toilet and sink. This quartz countertop, this is the standard option. So I know a lot of times when they make spec homes, they'll upgrade that. Now, something about Lennar you should know, when it comes to like the faucets, the kitchen sinks, like the doors, okay, what you see is what you get. The only type of upgrades that are allowable with Lennar homes, if you give them enough time, is you could upgrade your backsplash, your cabinets, countertop, and flooring, okay? And there's some options where you could add on cabinets, but besides that, as far as like the light fixtures, that's all included. The balcony, the slider, no structural upgrades, okay? But again, what I'd recommend, if you want to get the best deal on Lennar house, you just got to go with a move-in ready, the move-in ready home. So that means it'd be ready right now, but you'll have the best interest rate incentives as well as price reductions. So this is like a beautiful quartz. This is like the upgraded tier quartz. Also, this is upgraded cabinets as well. So refrigerator is included. Everything that you see here, okay, the GE appliance package. This is a refrigerator, dishwasher, oven range right here, cooktop, as well as this microwaves. So welcome to the pantry. Plenty of space in the pantry. Nice backsplash. Okay, so this is where it vents out. As you can see, soft close cabinets right there. Okay, yeah, so this is actually really nice. This is very spacious. This is a very spacious first floor, considering that you have 2 bedrooms down here, including the primary bedroom. Usually when you have bedrooms downstairs, it takes up a lot of space. But this feels really open, as you can see. And you have your primary bedroom downstairs. So this is an 8-foot slider. Okay, that is included. Oh, it's locked, of course. But you have your covered patio. You have the pavers down here. That's going to be included. But all that you see right here, this is going to be a dirt lot, okay? So the HOA is going to give you about 6 months to a year to fix that. Okay, so we'll head into the primary bedroom. So the laundry room is actually upstairs, but you do have a primary bedroom down here, and you're gonna have your own stackable washer dryer. So, which is really nice. Because yeah, most people would complain that if you have a primary bedroom downstairs and the laundry room is upstairs, then you'd have to like walk up. But yeah, you'll have that. So look, very spacious primary bedroom. Also too, with the lights right above the rooms, you could switch that out for a ceiling fan. All right, so if you're watching this video right now and you are interested in new construction homes, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text before you head over to new construction community. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit and help you out through this process. But if you are working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. You definitely want to make sure you get representation. The second you walk into a new build community on your own for the very first time, and you don't have representation, they're going to get your name, your phone number, your email. Once they have you in their system, they won't let you be represented later down the road. And I mean, the only problem is the builder agents have a fiduciary relationship with the builders. So that means they look after the builder's best interest, but we look after your best interest. Okay. So we negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable. So, you know, definitely get yourself some representation. Generous size walk-in closet right here. Now the only thing that's going to be different about the spec homes and this model home actually is I noticed they took out the carpet everywhere in this house. Usually for the quick move-in homes, you're going to have carpet in the bedrooms, but you'll have hard flooring all throughout the first floor except for the stairs upstairs and the bedrooms downstairs. So cool. So this is going to be your coat closet, but you also have storage space. So you were back kind of to the front of the house. Okay, so take a look upstairs. So as we head upstairs, you can see very high ceilings. And then there's a landing step right here. Yeah, see, model homes, you know, usually put the hard flooring. But okay, so as soon as you get upstairs, you're gonna have your laundry room right over here. Okay, you'll have two bedrooms, one bedroom here, another one right over there, and then you're gonna have a nice big loft. Okay, and the balcony here. So we'll start out over here. Washer and dryer is not included, as well as the cabinets right there. Okay, so you'll get these cabinets, just not these upper cabinets. I mean, you can add that if you'd like. So here's going to be a space for your linens. Okay. Yeah, this community, Preston community, they have so many different Lennar models here, all the way from like townhomes to like single-story RV garages, two-story RV garages. Okay, so you also have your linen closet. Now, you're going to have two full baths actually upstairs. So this is going to be a full bath, and then you'll have one like right over there. I think it's going to be primarily for this bedroom. Yeah, we'll start out with this bedroom first. So, pretty spacious bedroom. I like that Lennar has the 5-panel doors. That's standard. It's a little bit more modern, right? A lot of builders have the 2-panel or modern. Okay, you'll have your transfer grill up there. That helps regulate the airflow. Prevents doors from slamming as well when there's wind. Okay, so you're gonna have your dual sinks. And then you're gonna have a door right here. This will be your toilet. You're gonna have your fiberglass shower tub. Okay, remember no modifying the bathroom configurations. So whatever you see is the bath, like the shower and the tub, that's the way it is. Here's gonna be bedroom 2. So this is gonna have pretty good sized walk-in closet actually. So right here, they're gonna be building a park as well. When you enter, like, yeah, all the Lennar builds are just like in this area. So as you can see right over there, that's like you're gonna have some of the RV garages over there. Now here's the other bedroom. I'd say this is probably the smallest room out of all of them, but this is still larger than a 10 by 10 for sure. There's gonna be a full-size bed. And then as far as the paint finish goes, you're gonna have flat. It's just gonna be flat white paint all throughout the house. And I think in the wet areas, you'll have semi-gloss. So just a reminder, if you have a family and you have little kids and you think there's going to be a whole bunch of like dirt on the walls, if they're going to play around a lot, I'd probably consider painting it all semi-gloss before you move in, just because dirt on this finish is very hard to remove. Like, you might as well just paint over it again. Okay, so this is the loft area. So this is a really cool area actually. You could have the little movie setup, movie theater kind of room in here, or man cave, nice office. And then you have your last full bath right here. Okay. So yeah, this is definitely a nice hangout spot. We can just hang out here, watch some football games, Sunday football games. Okay, and then here's the balcony. Cool. All right, guys, that is it for the Vera floor plan. Thank you so much for watching that whole video. If you guys have any questions, or again, if you need help with this process and you're looking for somebody to guide you, I'd be honored to. My information is going to be in the description below. But thank you guys so much. Until then, I'll catch you guys on the next video.